In this video, we will show the best welding helmets available to buy. At number 8. RISHIL World Solar Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. It is Solar Auto Darkening Welding Helmet Welder Mask Grind Protective Shield which is used in tools, industrial and scientific. At number 7. Electrodose Welding Helmet. It is quality assured by brand. It is Camouflage Mask Solar Energy Automatic Helmet. Solar energy use for refill. At number 6. Bellstone Welding Helmet. It is good quality product for safety during welding from Bellstone brand. It gives protection to eyes. At number 5. Hitsan Incorporation Welding Helmet. It is UV radiation mask. It is good quality welding helmet arc weld welder lens grinding mask visor. At number 4. Comfort Head Screen. This product is a head screen made of RCC plastic. It can be used for protective purpose during welding. At number 3. Toolscentre Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. It is fully automatic with adjustable sensitivity control. A size of the window is 90 by 35 mm. The cartridge is 110 by 90 by 9 mm. At number 2. Vivo Face Shield with Clear Polycarbonate Visor. This product can be worn comfortably with most goggles and respirators and includes a breathable, removable, washable headband and cell foam on the back of the headgear. At number 1. eFUture Solar Power Welding Helmet. The arc generated can be converted into electrical energy during welding, thus providing power without charging, automatic standby, without loss of power.